Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Converge account as the administrator. Once signed in, make sure you have the devices or user profiles listed, names, and MAC addresses help. Open the Converge app or the router web interface now and navigate directly to the Parental Controls section. Don't linger on menus. Go to Settings, then Users or Device Management. This first step establishes authority and inventory, so you can apply rules precisely to the right devices. Once done, create a child profile and attach devices to it. You'll choose content filters, select categories to block, and enable safe search for browsers and apps. Next, set time limits and schedules, school nights versus weekends, and specific bedtimes. Apply rules for streaming, gaming, and social apps separately if available. Make sure to save each rule. The system often requires confirmation. This detailed step ensures control over both content and access. You finish by applying the settings and forcing a refresh. Reboot the router or sign out and in of the Converge app. Then test. Try accessing a blocked site and check that scheduled blocks activate at the set hour. If things go wrong, verify device MAC addresses, update router or app firmware, and confirm you're using an administrator account. If a device bypasses controls, make sure it's assigned to the correct profile and that local VPNs or proxies are disabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.